So friends, to claim your Over airdrop, first of all, you have to open up your Over app. Then you get to this interface where you can see get an airdrop. Then you're going to click on how much can I earn. Alright, when you click on it, now you read this criteria here: eligibility, representations and warranties. You read all through this section, that is if you have the time. Then you're going to check this, and then you're going to check this as well. Right, then you're going to click on agree and continue. Okay, now let's see what will come up here. So you just wait patiently while this is going on. So we keep waiting. So at this time, you're going to click on check your airdrop now, right? Okay, now you can see the number of tokens that you've been given right here. So the next thing to do is to click on this button that says claim now. So I'm going to click on claim now.